Aspergillus in immunocompromised patients. So we have to make sure when we're cleaning the hospital, if we're cleaning, that we look up at the ceiling tiles. If we see any black spots, that's mold. It's probably Aspergillus, and we have to replace those tiles. Also, fungi love water. Wherever there's water, fungi also start to grow. So we keep everything as dry as possible because of the fungi and bacteria love water. So all these microorganisms like food and water, if you eliminate the food and water, you can pretty much stop their growth.
Can I ask a question?
Yep.
Does the Aspergillus, like say, if it gets into your lungs, does it produce fluid in your lungs?
Yeah, it can produce pneumonias, and there'll be fluid in your lungs for sure. Yeah, yeah. You get Aspergillus pneumonia from it. So yeah, and it can be really nasty. Again, most people that get Aspergillus, most of the time, have immunocompromised. So like bone marrow transplant patients, solid organ transplant patients, anybody going through chemotherapy, those are people that are in the hospital.